Bats, secrets and mysteries you didn't know about. In the name of God, the most merciful, the most compassionate. Welcome to our Animal World channel. If you're here for the first time, welcome. Today, we're going to talk about a fascinating and mysterious creature, bats. But before we start, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to get all our latest updates. And if you like the video, hit the like button and share it with your friends. Bats are a diverse group of mammals that play important ecological roles in ecosystems around the world. There are over 1,300 species of bats, making them the second largest group of mammals after rodents. Bats vary in size from tiny bats that are only a few centimeters long to large bats with wingspans up to 1.5 meters. Bats are the only mammals capable of true flight. They have uniquely designed wings consisting of thin membranes of skin stretched between their elongated fingers. These wings are not just tools for flying, they also help bats regulate their body temperature and communicate with each other. Bats rely on a variety of foods. Some bats feed on insects, which helps control the populations of harmful pests. There are also fruit-eating bats, which contribute to seed dispersal and pollination of flowers. Other bat species feed on nectar, fish, and even blood. Bats possess an amazing system known as echolocation. Bats use this technique to navigate and find food in complete darkness. They emit high-frequency sounds that are inaudible to humans, and they detect the echoes that bounce back from objects around them to determine their location. Bats play vital roles in the ecosystem. By eating insects, bats help reduce the need for harmful pesticides. Fruit-eating and nectar-feeding bats aid in pollinating plants and dispersing seeds, which helps maintain biodiversity. Bats are surrounded by many myths and legends. In some cultures, bats are considered symbols of good luck, while in others, they are seen as omens of bad luck. One common myth is that bats drink human blood, but the truth is that only 3 species of bats feed on blood, and they prefer the blood of other animals. There is a fascinating religious narrative that tells that bats did not exist before Jesus, peace be upon him. It is said that Jesus took a piece of clay and shaped it like Satan, then blew life into it with God's permission, creating the bat. This story reflects the perception of bats during that time as symbols of evil and mystery. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed yet, now is the perfect time. There are many types of bats, differing in size, shape, and dietary habits. The most common types include fruit bats, vampire bats, and insect-eating bats. Each type has unique characteristics that distinguish it from others. Among all the types of bats, vampire bats are the most famous and controversial. These bats live in Latin America and feed on the blood of large animals like cattle and horses. Although the idea of bats feeding on blood might seem frightening, these bats rarely attack humans and usually feed at night without the host animal noticing. Bats play a crucial role in pollinating many plants. By consuming fruit and nectar, bats transfer pollen between flowers, aiding in pollination. Some plants depend entirely on bats for pollination, such as the agave plant used to make tequila. Some species of bats live in large colonies consisting of thousands of individuals, while others prefer solitude. Bats communicate with each other using a variety of sounds and body signals, displaying complex behaviors including cooperation, competition, and communal care for the young. Bats are used in medical research for several reasons. Studying the immune system of bats can help scientists understand how to combat diseases. Additionally, the saliva of vampire bats contains compounds that prevent blood clotting, which could lead to the development of new drugs to prevent blood clots in humans. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to get all our latest updates. And if you like the video, hit the like button and share it with your friends. Bats face many threats, including habitat loss, pollution, and overhunting. Habitat loss reduces the places where bats can sleep and reproduce, leading to a decline in their numbers. Pollution affects the health of bats and their ability to find food. Additionally, overhunting threatens some rare species with extinction. To protect bats, communities need to work together to preserve their natural habitats. Efforts to protect natural habitats, reduce pesticide use, and educate the public about the importance of bats can help safeguard these vital creatures. Bats have inspired many stories, movies, and books. One of the most notable examples is the famous character Batman, who draws inspiration from the form and abilities of bats. Bats are depicted in some cultures as symbols of power and mystery, while in others they are seen as dark and frightening creatures. Bats are natural hosts for many viruses, and some of these viruses can cause serious diseases in humans. Examples include the coronavirus and the Ebola virus. Understanding the role of bats in transmitting these diseases can help scientists develop ways to prevent and control them. Although bats are not common pets, some people are interested in keeping bats in their homes. Keeping bats as pets requires specific knowledge about their dietary and environmental needs, and they are not suitable for everyone. It's important to remind viewers that keeping bats as pets requires a significant commitment and detailed knowledge. It's intriguing that bats in nature have a bad and mysterious reputation, while they are portrayed in films as Batman, a superhero who helps people and stands against criminals. This contradiction raises many questions about why the truth is being reversed and scary things are being turned into beloved and beautiful things. Who is behind this change and why? I would love to hear your opinions in the comments on this topic. Do you think someone is trying to reverse the truth and distort the real image of bats? Share your thoughts and experiences with us. In conclusion, bats are fascinating and remarkable creatures that deserve respect and appreciation. They play vital roles in the ecosystem and offer many benefits to humanity. It's important to learn more about these creatures and protect them to maintain the balance of nature. Thank you for watching our episode today about bats. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to get all our latest updates. Leave us your comments and suggestions for upcoming episodes. See you in the next episode, God willing.